wanted to answer a question I get quite a bit is, how many eggs are you going to get, and is it worth it for the cost? And that's really a personal preference. One of the great things about having your own chickens is you kind of get to control the feed, you get to choose which breeds you have, so you can get a wide range of breeds which lay different colors of eggs, browns, whites, Easter eggers with the green and the light blue. But it really is a personal preference. However, if you're going in thinking that you're going to save a lot of money by raising chickens, such as what I have here in a suburban run, the answer is more than likely no. The eggs are going to be cheaper at the store. So here's what I recommend. I'm going to go through some of what I have and a potential cost that you're going to be looking at. So obviously you need something to protect the chickens, and that's what this fencing's for. This is the run. I enclose my chickens, and then I just do controlled free range, where I'll let them out every night, let them roam around for an hour or so, and then they go back in. That's what I do. If you're going to let them free range, you're going to have to invest in a way to protect your chickens from predators, such as an automatic door or something like that. Obviously, the second thing you need is the coop. They need a place to stay. You need water. I like to have 2 5-gallon water buckets here in my run, and then of course you need food. So if you add all that up, the startup costs are going to be, you know, a few $100 depending on how much you want to spend. The coop, I built my own at one time, and then I replaced it with this one here. That was a few $100. The fencing here is also another few $100. The waterers are fairly cheap. You can probably pick them up at a Tractor Supply or even on Amazon for like $50 a piece. And then there's a wide range of ways you can feed your chickens. I use the omelet feeders, which protect it from the rain. You don't want your feed getting wet. And then of course there's the feed. The 50-pound bag of layered pellets is probably going to run you anywhere from $20 to $40 depending on where you live. So you're going to have to make that determination whether or not your own eggs is worth the cost, because per dozen you're more than likely not going to save any money. However, I think the eggs are better. I've had neighbors tell me that it looks so much different than what they get in the stores. The eggs, or the yolks I should say, are going to be more yellow or orange depending on what you're feeding them. I didn't have the eggs tested, so I don't know the exact content of the protein in it, but I would beg to say they're more than likely better. So that's another benefit of it. As far as egg production goes, in my area here in New Jersey, from March till right about now in July, I'm probably going to get about 4 to 6 eggs a day. With the number of chickens I have, a few of them are older, so they're no longer laying. And then that'll continue, like I said, from March to July. And then when it gets really hot, the production goes down, so then you're looking at maybe a couple a day. It'll pick back up sometime in September for about another month and a half, and then once the days start getting shorter, production goes down again. So you'll have plenty of eggs if you have, we have a family of 4, and right now I have about 7 dozen eggs sitting inside my house, and I've given away quite a bit to my neighbors. So you'll get plenty of eggs, but the cost of per egg compared to what you would pay in the supermarket, it's going to be more. I just like having my own eggs better. So I hope this helped you out. If you got something from this, subscribe to the channel. I'm really answering a lot of questions that I've been able to answer over the last 10 to 15 years I've been raising chickens, and hopefully it can help you make your decision whether or not you want to raise chickens or not. So give me a like and follow.